The next level of organization is cellular level. Molecules combine to form cells, which are the basic structural and functional units of living organisms that are composed of chemicals. Cells are the smallest living units carrying out functions of living organisms. They are made up of different organelles that work inside a cell. These organelles include mitochondria, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, etc. An organism can be just one cell, which is unicellular, or else it is made up of many cells, which is multicellular. Among the many kinds of cells in your body are muscle cell, bone cell, red blood cell. The activity of an organism depends on the total activity of independent cells. All cells are basically same in chemical composition in organisms of similar species. Now, here is your first task. We know that there are hundreds of types of cells that are present in living organisms. So I want you to take 2 minutes and search for the most common types of cells that are present in human body. Now, what are the basic functions of cells? The basic functions of cells are obtaining food, that is nutrients and oxygen from the surrounding environment, to perform chemical reactions using those nutrients and oxygen, eliminating carbon dioxide and other byproducts to the cells surrounding produced as waste products during those chemical reactions, synthesizing proteins and other components needed for cellular structure, for cellular growth, and for carrying out other particular cellular functions. Largely controlling the exchange of materials between the cell and its surrounding environment. Moving materials internally from one part of the cell to another, with some cells also being able to move themselves through their surrounding environment. Being sensitive and responsive to changes in the surrounding environment. And last is reproducing. In the case of most cells, reproducing exceptions are nerve cells and muscle cells, which lose the ability to reproduce soon after they are formed. This is the reason stroke, which result in loss of nerve cells in the brain, and heart attacks, which cause death of heart muscle cells, they can be so devastating. Each cell in a multicellular organism also performs a specialized function, which is usually a modification or elaboration of a basic cell function. Here are a few examples. By taking special advantage of their protein synthesizing ability, the gland cells of the digestive system secrete digestive enzymes that break down ingested food. Certain kidney cells can selectively retain the substances needed by the body while eliminating unwanted substances in the urine because of their highly specialized ability to control exchange of materials between the cell and its environment. Muscle contraction involves selective movement of internal structures to generate tension in the muscle cells. It is an elaboration of the inherent ability of these cells to produce intracellular movement. Intra means within. Capitalizing on the basic ability of cells to respond to changes in their surrounding environment, nerve cells generate action potential and transmit them from one part of the body to another part.